YouTube? It's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another bingo, and this is a great, I'm so excited to be doing this video. This is a collab slash a challenge, so I'm excited to be doing this. So like you heard by the title, it's Eyeshadow Bingo, and if you do not know what Eyeshadow Bingo is, stay tuned. Welcome back. Yes, so I'm doing a collab with Lnegz. He's a fellow YouTuber. He does makeup reviews and tutorials and also unboxings, and we are doing a little challenge that is called the Eyeshadow Bingo. So basically we are going to be using the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette. Ooh. We're going to be using this palette to be creating an eyeshadow look. So the catch is he picked my 5 shadows, I picked his 5 shadows. But to pick the shadows, we use a number generator on Google. So we put numbers 1 through 30 since it's 30 shades. And he generated 5 numbers for me and I generated 5 numbers for him. So let me get my numbers for you guys so I can tell you what numbers I got and show you the shadows I'll be working with today. I didn't even check them out, so I really don't even know what shadows I'm using today to create this look, so it's gonna be super fun. So the numbers I got are 3, 29, and 22. That's what I can see so far. So if we go through the palette, we have 3 right here. This is designer label. All right, it's a nice champagne color. Let me hold the palette like this, so that way I can see and you guys can see as well. So this is a nice champagne color called designer label. The next one I got was 29. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So the next one I have is this turquoise kind of greeny color called Custom Rims. Ooh, okay, that's a fun color. Next up, we have 22. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1 and 2. I have Dog Mom, which is this peachy shimmery color. So far we have designer label, Custom Rims, and Dog Mom. I have 17, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. I have Self-Made, this nice hot pink color. That's a matte so far. The rest have been shimmers. So let's see if we can get another matte. And then we have 20. So 5, 10, 15, 20. We have this drive-through, which is a green shimmer color. It's kind of army color. So those are the 5 shades that I'll be working with today. I'm really, really excited to be doing this video and creating this look with colors that I normally wouldn't pair together. So let's get into this. Let me set my wand first, okay? So I got my Jeffree Star mirror. I'm going to bring y'all in a little bit closer so you can see. So that should be a little better. So we're going to get started. So since it's the only matte color I got, I'm going to put Self-Made, which is the hot pink color, in my eyelid. In my crease. On my eyelid. In my crease. So let's get that started. I have already primed my eyes. And I was using, what did I use to prime my eyes? The Better Skin by Maybelline. So they are already prepped and primed. But we're going to get this in the crease area. And just kind of buff that out. See what kind of look we're going to come up with, okay? I think I like that so far. I think I want to go more detailed in, so we're going to take some more of the Self-Made, that hot pink, and I'm going to take a more precise brush and just, yeah, you see how I deepen that out a lot better, and the other one, it will fluff it out a lot better. So yeah, just get that in there. Okay. All right, I think I'm liking that so far. What do you guys think? I'm going to do the other side. So we're going to deepen it first, and then I'm going to fluff it out with the other brush. So I like the deep look. I want this pink to be prominent. I'll take the other brush and go in with some more of that self-made and just kind of diffuse it. Diffuse. I did get some a little higher than I intended, but that's alright. It's no biggie. Alright, so now I'm doing a cut crease, and I cutted the crease off camera just to make it a little easier for me, and I was pressed. So I'm just kind of letting it do its thing, since I don't really have anything to set it with. So we're gonna let it dry. Ooh. Alright, and I'm gonna take my packing brush, and I'm going to go into that blue color, that turquoise custom rims, and just kind of pack that on right there on the end. Just want like a little hint. Okay. Good. Right there at the end. Like that. That's so pretty. Have that color. Now I'm going to go into that Dog Mom, which is that peachy color. And we're going to put that all over the lid. It's a nice peachy shimmery color. Let's get that all over where I put that concealer to cut the crease. Okay. Okay. Alright. So now that that's done, some more on this side. Oh yeah, that's good. That's enough. Ah! So I think I want to do this like more like a halo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some concealer over here. See, this is how you can fix something, especially when you're playing around with stuff. I'm doing a look I never did before. So we're going to do a halo effect. So now I got that concealer right there. Kind of fan it a little bit. Ooh. And I'm going to put some more of that Dog Mom right there because I want to do more of the halo. I think that will look more cuter for what I'm trying to do. So we're just going to pack that right on to that concealer. Pack that right on. So we can get that halo effect. And we're going to pack some more on over here so she can be dark too. Alright. And take this and buff that out. Oh shit, that's the wrong color. I want that one. I want this one. good halo effect. Super cute. So let's do the other eye. So we're gonna take this is my first time doing a halo, so I thought that would be cute for this type of look, especially since I was giving a lot of shimmer shades. So let's use this Dog Mom now, or I mean Dog Mom, we're gonna use Custom Rims now, sorry, and put that in the middle. It's like I'm not I know, like I'm not getting it in the middle of my eyes. I can't see, you guys. When I close this eye, I can't see. This contact must be, something's wrong with it. Alright. This is definitely out my comfort zone, as y'all know. But we're giving this a try and a go. Alright. See, for some reason, this one, when I do it, I can see. But the other eye, when I do it, I can't. Alright. There we go. Let's get some more of this Self-Made. So we can kind of like diffuse a little bit. Come on, Dog Mom, come through. You came through on the front. I need you to come through right here, boo. Self-Made Dog Mom. Alright, we're gonna diffuse this. Alright, so now we're going to take the last one, which is Drive Through. We're gonna put that on the lash line right at the bottom, y'all. Give it that pop of green. Alright, don't get nervous, y'all, because once I put my liner and lashes, it's going to come together, okay? Let's just get this green on there. So you can see. So, I mean, what's the point if you can't see that I used every shadow? You need to be able to see that every shadow was used, in my opinion. So, that's what we're going to do. Got the green. Oh, we do have one more. One more. And that is the designer label, which is that champagne color. I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. Let's give it a little bump. And a little bump over here. Okay. And you probably put this in the inner corner as well a little bit. Yeah, that looked really cute. Cute. So let me finish the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. I put on, you know, all my highlight, blush, and all that stuff. My lashes, I line my eyes, and I actually like it. I like this look a lot. It's really, really cute. I was like really nervous, so I'm trying to put these colors together and seeing how this look would turn out. But yeah, this is something like, of course, I would wear like going out to a festival, some type of, you know, choreographing with my outfit or something of that nature. This would definitely not be an everyday look for me. But I love it. In all honesty, this is my second time doing a cut crease, and she came out pretty good. I just need to work on my lining. You know, it's a little uneven or whatever. It's not as straight as I would like it to be, but it's not that bad for me doing it my second time. I can actually go out if it was nighttime and pass. Even in daytime, because some people don't know makeup, but people that do know makeup, you know, nighttime, it will still pass because it's not that bad. But I definitely need to work on my cut crease a little bit more. But other than that, this is really, really cute. This was a very, very fun challenge. And it definitely was a challenge because these are colors I normally would not use. I mean, I would use them, but I would not pair them together. I am like, you know, a neutral gal. I love browns and stuff like that, and I did not use any brown, so that was really, really cool. But yeah, this is really, really cute. And I'm really pleased. Comment down below what you think about this look that I created using these colors. Did you think that was cool? Do you think it came out pretty good? And also, would you ever do eyeshadow bingo? Like, just pick a palette of your choice, put the number of eyeshadows that are in a number generator, and just see what you come up with. And yeah, come up with like 5 different numbers and see what kind of look you can come up with. I thought it was fun and very interesting, and I definitely wouldn't mind trying it out again with a different palette. So that is all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.